Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove background from videos in Canva. This is a powerful feature for Shopify store owners who want to create professional product promos, social media ads, or homepage videos without needing expensive video editing software or complex green screen setups. Removing backgrounds allows you to place your product or subject into custom branded scenes that match your store's style. Before we jump in, a quick note on what to expect. Canva's background remover for video is powerful, but not perfect. It works best when your subject is clearly visible, well lit, and separated from the background. If your clip has busy patterns, lots of movement, or poor contrast between the subject and the backdrop, the results may vary. Keep that in mind as we go. For Shopify content, this means product demonstrations filmed against simple backgrounds, such as plain walls or clean studio setups, typically produce the best results and help your visuals look more polished and professional. Start by opening your project in Canva. If your design has multiple pages, head to the page where your video lives. Click once on the video on your canvas to select it. When it's selected, you'll see the editing toolbar appear above the editor. This step ensures you're editing the correct video layer, which is especially helpful when working with promotional designs that include text overlays, branding elements, or multiple video clips stacked together. In that toolbar, look for the Background Remover option, sometimes called BG Remover, and click it. Now let Canva do the work. It will analyze your clip and process the subject across the frames. You'll see a progress indicator while it runs. This can take a moment, especially for longer clips, so give it time and avoid clicking away while it processes. The automated detection saves significant editing time compared to manual background removal, which can be especially valuable when creating multiple product marketing videos. When it's done, the background will be removed, leaving your subject isolated. If your design has a colored or image background, you'll see it show through behind the subject. If not, you might see a transparent style preview depending on your layout. This gives Shopify store owners the flexibility to place products or presenters over branded backgrounds, seasonal themes, promotional banners, or lifestyle scenes that better match their store aesthetic. Next, press play to preview the result in motion. Watch the edges around hair, hands, or areas with fast movement. If you notice flickering edges, halos, or parts of the background peeking through, that's usually due to a complex or low contrast background, motion blur, or uneven lighting in the original footage. Reviewing your video carefully helps ensure your final marketing content looks smooth and trustworthy, which can improve customer confidence and engagement. This tool shines when the subject is distinct, the camera is steady, and the background isn't cluttered. If the outcome isn't ideal, don't worry. That doesn't mean you did anything wrong. It simply means the clip may be challenging for automated background detection. Consider using a video where the subject stands out more clearly, where the background is simpler, or where the lighting is brighter and more even. Clothing that contrasts with the background and avoiding shadows behind the subject can also help in future recordings. These small filming improvements can significantly increase editing quality and reduce the time spent fixing visual issues later. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're essentially done. The background is removed, and your subject is ready to be placed over any design, color, or visual you've already set up in your project. This is particularly useful for building branded product videos, announcement clips, or promotional campaigns that match your Shopify store theme and marketing strategy. Give it one more playthrough to confirm it looks smooth from start to finish, and you're good to go. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step guides designed to help you create better content and grow your online store. I share practical Canva tutorials, Shopify tips, and easy design strategies that you can apply right away, even if you're just getting started. If you have questions or there's a tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping you out.